I'm going to show you how to make a Baby Blue Martini. We're going to start off with some ice, pour that into a glass, just about halfway full, and then we're going to add to that 1 ounce of gin. Now any type of gin will do, so just choose your favorite. Then we're going to add in 1 ounce of blue curacao, and that's going to give it that nice pretty blue color. We're then going to add a splash of sweet and sour mix, and we're going to shake this up. All right. Grab yourself a cocktail glass. If you'd like, you can chill it first. Just put some ice and water into your cocktail glass, and while you're mixing your cocktail, your glass will be chilling. Dump out the ice and water, and then you've got a nice chilled cocktail glass. Put your strainer on top of your shaker, hold it on nice and tight, and go ahead and pour that in. And there you have it, a Baby Blue Martini. Cheers.